Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Let's see what wants to show through for you today, Aquarius. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius. Send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, we welcome you also. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright, so Aquarius, I have the lovers on the table with the 5 of Pentacles, 4 of Wands, the Chariot, Temperance, 7 of Wands, Page of Pentacles, Page of Wands, and the Hermit. Things are a bit imbalanced right now, Aquarius, in this connection. It's the whole thing about somebody being a cheat or a liar, or somebody snuck away. This is a thief card. So I don't know who's done what here, Aquarius. We will clarify these cards, but there has been some kind of an imbalance in this connection. Somebody's in hermit mode right now thinking about all this. I don't think there's any communication either. So let's start with some dialogue message cards. See if you guys could say something to each other now. After that we'll clarify these cards. So Aquarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Aquarius, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Oh, that's too many. Aquarius and their person. All right. And I'll take a couple more from here. Aquarius and their person. Okay. Okay, Aquarius, good to go. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, "You were always my desire, the love of my life, but I didn't tell you. It shocked the hell out of me when you told me you felt the same, as I never expected that. You're all I want, but I just don't feel good enough for you." Your ego is effing irritating me. Can't you see the value I would add to your life? If only you would just let me in, we could be a strong power couple. I wish we could just be direct and transparent with each other. The love I have for you is a deep reflection of the love I have for myself. I found all the fragmented, broken pieces of myself when I met you. You mirrored my wounds so I could look deep inside of myself and heal from within. This connection can feel out of balance. When I try to reassure or overgive to you, I realize that I have to give to myself, and then you will then master self-love. I've always loved you, and I always will. From the first moment I looked into your eyes, I knew that you were my eternal love. Loving you is the most natural yet scary thing I've ever done. Your soul is always with me and mine is guiding you. We're always together in spirit, even though physically we may be apart. Like I said, somebody's in hermit mode right now, thinking. Okay. My ex and I are just friends. I have unresolved feelings that I need to work through. So Aquarius, if these messages are resonating with you or your story, let's get on with the reading. Let's see what's going on. And before I clarify these cards, I'm going to take an angel blessing card to see what my angels have to say. A blessing, message, advice or guidance for you. Peaceful. Don't worry. I think very soon peace is going to be restored to whatever conflict is going on. The angels are bringing in a peaceful resolution to, I don't know what's happening here, to whatever this imbalance or this, impatience is going on here. All right, so let's start clarifying these cards. The Lover's spirit in reverse with the Five of Pentacles. The Lovers. Somebody has made some foolish decision here. Somebody made a foolish decision here which has led to a disruption, a tower moment. It's left somebody feeling the feeling of feeling abandoned, feeling left out in the cold. Maybe this was somebody that they really wanted to kind of step up and offer something. But now this connection has kind of come to a little standstill, and there's a feminine energy who is a little upset and angry here. Four of Wands spirit. Four of Wands. Four of Wands. Somebody was meant to take action, maybe bring something to fruition or to offer some long-term commitment or something, but since there was no communication, there has been no communication. A decision needed to be made here, but the decision which was made actually turned somebody away, or they turned their back on this connection. Somebody ruined a beautiful connection here because of an unwise decision made. A lovely connection which is now spoilt with some bad memories here. Some miscommunication or bad communication on a decision that was made. So Chariot now, Spirit. Chariot. 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 Somebody does, this masculine does have a lot of love in their heart, but I think they don't have the, they want to get over this burden that they've been carrying now. Maybe they didn't say or do the right thing at the right time. Somebody does want to move forward now and kind of clear up whatever wrong decision was made here, whatever's led to creating this imbalance. They want to come out of this stuck place they find themselves in, drop this burden, but I think they're still kind of gather up their courage. They know they've really messed up a good situation here. Temperance in reverse, Spirit. So sideways. Temperance in reverse. Temperance in reverse. Temperance in reverse. Somebody knows that they have created a conflict. Things are in troubled waters right now, but they do want to now come forward with some kind of an offer here, Aquarius. They do want to come in with an offer to kind of start working on, they want to work with this person once again, the feminine. The masculine is realizing they've made a big mistake here. Seven of Wands. Seven of Wands, yes, they never made a decision. Or a decision was made which kind of halted the progress of this connection. Now somebody is in deep reflection thinking, oh my God, what did I do? I never invested, I never put in the time or effort when I should have. And that's the reason now there is stagnancy here. Maybe you guys are not even talking to each other, not messaging each other. There is no forward movement. Page of Pentacles. Yes, somebody did something rash or made a hasty decision which was wrong, which disrupted this connection, created some kind of a conflict which ended this connection. Page of Wands. Page of Wands. Page of Wands. Now in the time when there is no communication, I think between the two of you, somebody is realizing that now they do have a lot of passion, they do have a lot of love, they do want to transform this connection now to, yes, somebody has a lot of regret and sorrow for the way things have gone, and I think now they're contemplating what to do, how to come forward with their passion, how to bring in this transformation now. Somebody is going back and forth in their mind, spending a lot of time alone and in hermit mode. Hermit, Spirit? Hermit? What are they thinking? somebody somebody is worried now. They know now what the right choice is. If they were confused earlier, if they had other options, they know what the choice is. Except now they don't know how to take forward an apology. Maybe they feel it won't be accepted anyway. Maybe they walked away, or the person has walked away now from this connection. Whoever this person is who made the wrong decision, who I think is the masculine, is right now stuck. They are going through an awakening, from what I feel. They are getting their spiritual downloads. They are getting epiphanies about what they've done and what they've ruined. But a bit afraid now as to how to bring an apology in. So, what's the Seven of Swords, Spirit? What did they do? Seven of Swords. They didn't fight for the connection, and they disrespected an Empress. Oh, you don't do that. Aquarius, I don't know which one you are, the masculine or the feminine, but they didn't fight for this connection, and this Empress felt disrespected here. So, anything else, Spirit, for Aquarius? Anything else? One more. Somebody has realized that they do have a lot of love for this Queen of Cups, who's now kind of maybe turned her face away from this masculine, maybe gone into self-love or something. There's somebody created a lot of disruption or conflict in this situation, but now they've made up their mind that they do want to come forward after doing some sneaky shit here. Okay, somebody really did that, but they are very, very sad about it. They are feeling bored and unhappy without this Queen of Cups or Empress in their life. They know what is the right choice. They do want to have this equal partnership of equal give and take. So right now, as of now, this person is in hermit mode, still trying to have their aha moments as to what they did wrong and wondering how to come forward to make this right. So I have a feeling it'll get okay, because my angels have blessed you with a card of peaceful. Things will have a peaceful resolution soon, Aquarius. Give it time. I think things will be fine. But we'll check in the next reading to see really what's going on in both your heart spaces and see what action is going to be taken now. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.